Hey guys, today we're going to be using the Miller's 200 grams of clay on my G37 over here. And I kind of already started it on that side there, just so I can give a good example what it looks like after you've done that. But here we are, we have the clay bar, and I'm using, because I'm out of the other detailers, the Blackmagic Intense Graphene Quick Detailer. Any detailer will work. You can never have too much of a detailer on there. You can use car soap if you wanted to, but this is all you have to do. You spray it on there, spray it on your clay bar. You go in left and right motions, or you can go up and down. Whoops. I do recommend that when you do this, you don't wear any jewelry. As you saw, my hand like slipped right off of the clay bar, which it happens. That's why I don't wear any rings on my hand, except my wedding band on my other hand. And it works on glass as well. Do not go in circular motions with this. And then if you feel it like right here, it's like kind of draggy a little bit, try to keep it a little bit more lubricated so that way you don't damage your clear coat. And this stuff works to get tar, paint, like overspray paint or paint from the road, or sap, like tree sap and stuff. And it works awesome. I've been using the Mother's Clay Bar for, well over 10 years. Never had any issues with it whatsoever. I did a video a while back of their ceramic speed clay. Really wasn't that big of a fan with it, but look at that. That's all the gunk that was in just in my roof, half of my roof. And you know, as you can see, the car is pretty clean, but embedded in the clear coat, you have all this. That's road grime, debris, your tree sap, or just whatever stuff is on there, you know, stuff from the rain, everything. So once you've already sprayed your surface and you've clay barred it and keeping this lubricated as well, this clay bar is pretty much almost shot. But what you want to do is, and we'll go to the other side because I did that side first. Just grab yourself a towel. Just want to kind of wipe it off. Get all that, you know, the excess off. And you just do a nice little buff off here. The temperature's a little cold where I'm at, so this is gonna take a minute for me. For some odd reason, detailing products do not like me in the wintertime. But there you go. And let's listen. Nothing. And so you guys know that, oh, you know, don't say I used a different clay bar on that side. So throw that right there. Pretty much have to throw that thing away. I'm going to do the same thing here where you guys saw me clay bar. So whenever you do use the clay bar, you want to make sure that you flip it and you kind of do that mixy thing where you go like that. It doesn't work for you, it's on the box, but you know, you just kind of mix it in a little bit more, because, you know, a little bit of a clay bar can actually go a long way. If you do drop it, throw it in the trash. That's why I cut off a small section of it, because I have a habit of dropping these. And at $20-something a box, I'm not gonna take my chances. I would rather lose a small piece than the entire piece. Okay, so we got that done. I'm gonna grab another little towel here just to do a quick final buff. All right. And as you can hear, nothing. Smooth as glass. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the car and then we'll come back to it. All right, so we got the whole car completely clay barred using the Mother's Clay Kit. I did have to switch up the instant detailers because I ran out of the other bottle. But here are the clay bars. They got pretty disgusting. And just to think, that's inside of your clear coat. Whenever you're washing your car, and if you never clay it, this is what it'll look like. I have clayed my car, but I've been slacking on it, and I have just been so busy that clay barring really wasn't something I needed to do. But over the winter, things just kind of build up and everything like that. So here we are. I mean, super, super smooth. It's like butter. So now I get to do the next fun thing and polish it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.